Welcome to Kuching, the vibrant heart of Sarawak, Malaysia. If you're planning a trip to this unique city, you're in for an unforgettable adventure. From rich cultural heritage to breathtaking natural wonders, Kuching has something for everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best things you absolutely can't miss during your visit. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply looking to soak up the local vibes, we've got you covered. Let's explore! Number 5, Sarawak Cultural Village. If you're keen to discover more about the diverse indigenous peoples and cultures of Borneo, a visit to the Sarawak Cultural Village is essential. This living museum features 7 traditional buildings and longhouses, each representing the architectural style of a distinct group, like the Malay, Chinese, or Penan. While exploring, you'll also encounter locals, dressed in traditional clothing, crafting handmade items using ancient techniques. These live demonstrations offer insight into how these groups once wove, carved, and cooked. Additionally, twice daily, the locals present a vibrant performance of traditional dance and music, celebrating their rich cultural heritage. Number 4, Seango Nature Reserve. For many, Borneo is closely associated with orangutans, and the Seango Nature Reserve is one of the top spots in the world to see them. The reserve has successfully run a rehabilitation program for orphaned or rescued orangutans, with all of them now released back into the wild. They roam freely through the rainforest, coming and going as they wish. However, many still return to the center for a meal a couple of times a day. Watching these orangutans happily feasting on the fruit provided is a truly unforgettable experience, and a highlight of any trip to Kuching or Borneo as a whole. In addition to seeing the orangutans up close, visitors can also explore the reserve's trails and admire the vibrant flora and fauna of the rainforest. Number 3, Kuching Waterfront. The Kuching Waterfront marks a historically significant location, as it was here that James Brooke, the first White Raja, first set foot in Sarawak in 1839, beginning a unique period of governance under the Brooke family dynasty. Over the years, this once simple docking area, where villagers would ferry across the Sarawak River in small boats, has undergone a dramatic transformation. The Sarawak government has invested significantly in revitalizing the space, turning it into a beautifully landscaped esplanade that reflects both the city's modern growth and its rich cultural heritage. Today, the Kuching Waterfront is a lively hub that stretches for over a kilometer along the Sarawak River. The promenade is lined with picturesque gardens, benches, and shaded walkways, where locals and tourists can stroll or relax by the water. Eateries, cafes, and food stalls offer a range of delicious local dishes, while entertainment spots provide live performances and cultural shows. The waterfront is also dotted with sculptures, historical landmarks, and an observation tower, offering a perfect blend of leisure, history, and culture. Number 2, Cat Museum, famously known as the Cat City, truly embraces its feline identity in more ways than one. The city's love for cats is deeply ingrained in its culture and is celebrated through various cat statues and landmarks scattered throughout its streets. However, no place exemplifies this more than the Cat Museum, a one-of-a-kind attraction located atop Bukit Seol in Petrajaya, just across the Sarawak River from central Kuching. For cat enthusiasts, the Cat Museum is a delightful treasure trove of feline memorabilia. The museum is home to an eclectic collection of all things cat-related, ranging from iconic cartoon characters like Hello Kitty and Garfield to real-life famous cats, such as Matthew Flinder's beloved feline companion, Trim. The museum's exhibits span the history and cultural significance of cats around the world, with displays of artwork, photographs, sculptures, and even ancient artifacts that depict the role of cats in different societies. As visitors meander through the various galleries, they can learn about the enduring bond between humans and cats, from their sacred status in ancient Egypt to their modern-day internet fame. The museum also features a collection of quirky and fun exhibits, including life-size cat statues, interactive displays, and an array of feline oddities that will fascinate both cat lovers and casual visitors alike. Number 1, Fort Margarita. Fort Margarita, perched high above the vibrant Kuching Waterfront, was constructed in 1879 along the banks of the Sarawak River. This imposing fortress was strategically built to protect the city from potential pirate attacks, a real threat at the time due to Kuching's growing significance as a trade hub in the region. Named after Charles Brooke's wife, Margaret, the fort stands as a testament to the city's colonial history and offers visitors a glimpse into a bygone era. Today, Fort Margarita is not only one of Kuching's top attractions, but also a captivating architectural landmark. Its striking white walls, adorned with battlements and turrets, create a picturesque contrast against the lush greenery of its surrounding lawns and towering trees. The fort's elevated position offers panoramic views of the Sarawak River and the city below, making it a popular spot for photography and quiet reflection. Inside the fort, visitors can delve into the region's rich history by exploring the Police Museum, which is housed within its sturdy walls. The museum boasts an impressive collection of historical artifacts, including cannons, pistols, swords, and various forms of weaponry that were used during the fort's active years. These relics offer a unique insight into the defensive strategies employed during Kuching's early days. The exhibits not only showcase the weapons, but also highlight the important role Fort Margarita played in maintaining law and order in Sarawak, making it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.